Hello everybody, my name is Vanny. I am 17 years old. I am a student of Edward International School. I have been learning English at Edward International School since June 2024. Before I start my presentation, let me pay a respect to Mr. Concom, Principal of Edward International School, teacher and all beloved friends. The topic is about favorite pet is fish. So let's go through to my topic. Fish are the best pets. They are easy to grow and to sell. Fish are colorful pets. They come in many colors like orange, yellow, and black. You should grow fish too. They will love your living connection. Finally, I can say that Edward International School always offers a real knowledge, morality, discipline, and success to all students. I would like to say thank you everybody for taking attention to my speaking today. Wish you all the best. Thank you.